Agnimitra Paul, thank you for being with us here on India Today. We'll be getting spokespersons from the Trinamool as well in a short while. A very, very disturbing and unsettling escalation in what is supposed to be a routine bypoll, with guns being pulled by the security guards of the former BJP chief of Bengal, Agnimitra Paul. How can you explain this sudden escalation? What happened on the ground? Much of it has been captured on camera. You tell us, what was the provocation that guns needed to be pulled out?
See, this has been happening for the last few days, that we were campaigning for our BJP candidate, Priyanka Tibrewal. And wherever we were going, in most of the places, there were TMC workers who were kind of very intimidating. They were carrying us, they were abusing us. And today, it crossed all limits. I was there, we were having a small street corner, when I saw two of our karyakartas were beaten up and they were taken to hospital. And before that, our Honorable National Vice President Dilip Da was doing door-to-door campaign in one of the gullies in Bhawanipur. And you must have got the video where a bunch of TMC workers, goons, they started saying "Go Back" slogan to Dilip Da, and which started as just a "Go Back" slogan. They kind of tried to heckle, harass Dilip Da as well as his Central Security Force. So when a bunch of, say, around 50 or 100 TMC goons come and attack you and try to attack you and heckle you or beat you up, definitely the Central Force are there to, to keep us secured. So they took out the pistols, just to frighten them off. But this is the situation in Bengal for the last 10 years, and even now in the last 20 days, we have been seeing the same thing everywhere. And this is the strategy of TMC government and the TMC party, because they want the people of Bhawanipur, who are a very elite class, to feel intimidated and scared, so that they don't come out on 30th of September to vote. This is their strategy, because they are depending on the 30% minority vote who are in ward number 77. And whether there is flood or whether there is earthquake, these people will come out to vote, but not these elite people of Bhawanipur.
But do you think
this is the strategy of TMC?
Ms. Paul, but my question is, do you think that it was an overreaction for the guns to be pulled out in this manner, or do you think that was okay? Because what you're talking about, that people might get scared to come out, they're going to see the picture of these guns. The news is going to report, as we are doing here, that these guns were pulled out by the security guards of the BJP persons.
Yes,
the Trinamool can easily turn it back on you.
Why? The Trinamool can't say anything because everything is on video. Everything people can see, that who was saying "Go Back" slogan and who were attacking the Central Security Force, who were attacking our karyakartas, and who had beaten up our two karyakartas, our two workers.
Yes, we have pictures of that as well.
Videos, Yes, so people can see it. We are not telling a lie. We don't need to. And why do we need to attack TMC goons? We are very few in number, because after 2nd of May, the kind of torture TMC has done on our karyakartas are afraid, and they are at home. They are not ready to come out. So this is the situation. Wherever we are going, Mamata Banerjee is afraid that she is going to again lose in Bhawanipur, like she lost in Nandigram. She is afraid, and the entire TMC party is afraid. And Mamata Banerjee doesn't want anybody else to be the CM. We say it's a private limited company where only Mamata Banerjee or Abhishek Banerjee can be the CM. Why? There are other leaders. There are Bobby Hakim, there is Subrata Mukherjee, there is Partho Chatterjee. They are all senior leaders. Why can't they be the CM? But she is adamant that only she needs to be the CM. So this is, very, very contradictory, and very, people of, Bhawanipur have been forced this election on them. They have forced this election on them. Spending crores
let's get the other side.
Just because Mamata Banerjee want to be the CM.